Was good. Jit.
Yo. Why does he sound like that?
Well, I can hear myself.
Oh,
Hello?
what did it do, flight crew? FT.
It's good, guys.
Lento, give me. Why can't I hear myself? Oh, I have these.
Your mic is hella low, Desi.
Your mic is low.
I'm like standing like or sitting. How about now?
Say again?
Hello, hello, hello.
It could be a little closer.
I really want to sit up on my chair. All right. How
Yeah,
about now?
lock in, lock in.
How about now?
Yeah, good. That's perfect.
Bro, I shorted into 393 after looking for longs all day and getting break even like 4 times.
Yeah,
I
what
feel
back
that.
for?
So I shorted it. I hesitated on the long to the upside. Are we live?
Oh,
Yeah, we're live
yeah,
now.
dude. I'm bullish this PM. I think our
Yeah.
low of days put in.
Mace, tweet that we're live, or... Okay, back. Let's see. Alright, what we're looking at. Looking at if this... We're looking for higher prices because we also inverse that 15-minute, or that 5-minute on both NQES. See if we can close above on the 15-minute here.
Yeah, looking at 503 on NQ for buy side. We'll have
Dude,
there.
I'm so confident our lows are put in. I don't know why. It's just, bro. You look at where NQ put in this low versus where ES put in this low. It's just
Yeah.
it makes.
ES took out previously low and then NQ didn't. So we got some SMT at the lows here too.
Yeah.
Yo,
NQ
Brian,
also.
you see this 1 minute gap right here? The 106. I actually might take that.
What else? This one? Oh, yeah.
I'm not opposed to taking
I
that.
want to see a nice closure first, and then I want to dig in longs. We have a nice 15-minute gap on NQ, above 500.
Yeah, that's why I kind of want to draw.
Hourly, too. Yeah, I do like a retap for longs. Dirge trades had recording. I went down $100 below the threshold of Tuesday. Now it'll be below. I'm fine with it getting denied because of that. You think they'll make me record again? I have no idea what they're recording. This is new to me. I want to start recording next week. I'll get that set up. Hopefully they just let it go through.
See if you get an entry model. I might go long too.
Wait,
Your tooth, Brian?
what entries are you looking for long? Huh?
What is your tooth? Someone that asked you.
Yeah, because I had a lot. I had my caddies filled, and then I had the wisdom tooth too, and I had my another wisdom, the other side on for next week. A lot of checkups.
Yeah.
This is the inversion that Desi's talking about here.
Really do believe we drive higher. We took that good route, internal high, but yeah, we took that high out on ES at 619, but I do think we drive higher.
I think ES go for 28.
If we were Chase here, I would love like an entry model. Might just go off here though. We'll see. All right, someone just said it sounds like I'm doing ASMR. Am I being weird? Okay, it's like I talk like this because Brian tells me my mic's low, but then when I talk like this, you know, I need my mic to be higher. So I don't know. I mean,
what kind of mic do you got? Yeah, you got a Yeti?
Yeah, Blue Yeti.
Feeling really good.
They're trolling you, Lantel. I, that's what some people say in the chat. Like sometimes they're like, "Oh, the mic's low," but I can turn the volume up a little bit for them. Let's see.
My entire chat, I think, took that 5-minute inversion. Close.
Yeah, I like to run for 500s right now.
All right, if this goes inversion here and closes above, I'm taking this shit.
Yeah, I think we drive higher. Overall, I think we go at least back into range. Just, dude, that hourly looks so obvious.
The hourly fair I got, or which one?
No, the hourly just the one we took. Yeah,
Right, I don't know if
yes,
you want to
yes.
share this with the chat here.
Yeah, I have it marked. This is the inversion that Desi's looking for a closure. And I bet he's going for those relative highs into that 15-minute rag gap. Yeah, let me show. This is what it looks like.
I want to see impulse too. I like the inversion. I want to see impulse over that high too as well. Just really showcase it wants that move now. There you go. Good. A bit stuck. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but it might just because one index's lagging or not, but dude, the amount of flips that we got today intraday, I feel has been crazy.
It has been.
You know, back and forth flips. One moment NQ showcasing the one higher, the other DS, and it's just back and forth. Bro, Desi's like me on Monday. Like, bro, you taking like 7 trades today.
Today was hectic. In the morning.
Desi's been he's been trading New York all day.
This is the main area we're looking at where I target. I'm gonna just see this closure first.
Oh, we have equal highs in NQ. That's a good area of draw.
Yeah. That equal high is just where the 15-minute is. Is that closure there? Either we get there now, or I feel like we could also look for a retrace back into.
Good push.
Let's see what happens. We're looking at 500s and above right now. Nice closure above this 15-minute here. I want to see if we want to get back and do the 15-minute. If this is a get already for 500s.
Let's see if we retrace back down for better entry, or
That's
if we just
annoying.
trade up
Probably
higher
get
down.
stopped. The inversion doesn't hold here. Probably get stopped out. Now look for the 5-minute gaps. Dude, that 503 has been the fucking death of me today, bro. I'm telling you. It's been the cause of all my break-even trades.
I think we need more manipulation before we move higher. Hopefully, it could FMC. Yeah.
Yeah, right. I was looking for 503 early in the session, then drive lower into those gaps.
Yeah, we have the SMC with ES right now. ES taking the hourly low, NQ did.
Yeah.
A nice move up from those low of the day. Now I think we just want to retrace back to that 15-minute gap that we just created, and then look for a move to 500s.
Looks like we drive lower here to that 5-minute gap aggressively. I'm still really content that price sets or has set in its low. We should rebalance a little bit here.
This fair value gap for retrace.
Really slow right now.
Yeah, I'm on my top to 69. 68.5.
And then you look at that 5-minute pre-top here.
Yeah, if we get it, I'm gonna look for that.
That's what lines are looking at.
So it might just be, I think for here, we might just see something like where we see a short-term sell for a bigger move up.
Yeah.
So might just need to rebalance a bit more.
What really under midnight open?
Yeah, it just depends how we sell into that low as well. If we're like aggressive, I might just sit out, but if it holds nicely, probably will look to take back up.
This is what we're talking about today too, where we have the Labor Day Monday. We don't want to mess around.
Yep.
Only want to look for a decent price.
So you see that 5-minute flip now. I don't want to make sure that this doesn't trade too aggressively inside that 5-minute gap, or else I'm just not going to be interested.
But this actually might flip all the way. So aggressive. What's the 50% of this?
We have a bit of BPR.
I would like that 1250 gap to remain open though. I don't want to tap back into that.
You said a 15-minute gap?
The 1250 5-minute gap.
Oh, 1250. Let me see.
I want to see that get left open.
Yeah, I'm either watching the 1255 gap or 1250 gap or 1255. I think we bounce either. I just want to make sure I time properly.
So we're tracing that and officially now. I just want to see under midnight, which is 453. We're gonna retrace into that breaker too. That if this do retrace, I'll look to see. I guess it'll be the same inversion basically, Desi. Almost at 106 again, but like 116 this time.
Yeah,
because we did retap and went down.
That'll be my last.
A little reaction. I don't think it's enough yet, though. Need this candle to showcase displacement and then execute into that high. Me no likey. Gotta show strength here. You gotta be decisive here off that gap reaction. Gotta be decisive. I don't like how it's indecisive.
I just want to see it take a jab under midnight open and flip. It's a large gap, even large 15-minute too.
See, I'm just not content with taking that yet, because like whenever we tap a gap, at least for me, you gotta show like clear signs of the shift.
Yeah. It's a large. I have a large 1-minute breakers marked out too, so I need to see it get peak retrace down and then flip, and I'll look to join in the flip. Midnight opens at 53 here, only a few points away. I want to see a deep move down here. It's pretty good there.
But I feel like I've seen so many of these like setups lately, on like the 15-5 where you have massive gaps get slammed.
Yeah, that didn't happen a lot.
With equal highs above and everything, especially that 9, or what was it 694, like that entire area. We'll see. Bro, all ES did right there was tap back into the hourly gap we created. It's giving me the same vibes from yesterday.
Oh yeah, ES tapped in the hourly. And if you did, I was more focused on.
We've been having, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too interested in longs. That order block up there on the hourly too might get slammed. That was it for me for the upside look.
I just want to see what we do here. This will be that kind of the BPR now. Mark out. Yeah, I think Lanto's looking at the 5-minute BPR too. I think what I like to do in this situation, try to get like the discount, which is deep retracement, a starter, and then like if it does flip, you want to add to it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Usually I don't like mark a 5-minute gap and then I go with the one right under it. I really do believe our lows put it in. So I think we rebalance off either the BPR or the gap above here.
Yeah, this could flip here. I mean, we did get moved down midnight open. That's why I wanted there. Should go 1 minute now. Might get a 1-minute flip here. This looks good. It's a nice push too.
Yep. It'd be tough if I don't get entry. This would be annoying if I just don't get entry.
What would you be looking for the entry?
I want that BPR. It looks like we're flipping.
That's what I want. Yeah, I think we missed. We were shy of it just by a little bit.
Yep.
This looks pretty good now.
Yep.
Give her a deep drive and it's not a 15-minute.
If I did take that first inversion, I'd probably take this one.
But yeah, pyramiding in this situation is pretty good just because it's a large gap. And I think me and Lanto was just looking at a deeper retracement which we could have entered here for starters. I just didn't because I don't think I feel too confident in today's price action. Normally I would, and then I'll add to the pyramid, which could be like that inversion add there. But yeah, nicely filled.
Yeah, if we invalidate that 5-minute order block, this is sending the high easily. Easily. I prefer that BPR for an entry just because it's such a good area.
It's a safe area too.
Yeah. Perfect trade, BPR tap back into that high, tag out equal highs, call it a day, and
yeah. I'm also looking just for like an easy tap.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of want to see if I want to try long up here. It's just too risky. I would like low 60s, low 460s. But
yeah, it's unique because like we have the conviction and what we want to see price do. It's just more so timing here because there's so many different ways we could
they could just stop hunt us before going into that 500 area.
Yeah, it could bounce off this 1-minute gap here. It could bounce off the VPR. It could bounce essentially where it wants. But I think our lows are put in. My conviction is in 503. It's just more so timing at this point.
The 30-second breaks of the unicorn right now. You guys still trading Apex? I still have my Apex. They just sent me the email talking about recording. I'm about to record next week. I mean, I'm not really alarmed like I think everyone on social media. But
yeah,
the only alarming thing, I guess, is just like this: the number of people that received that email. That was like a large wave this time. Like nearly hundreds of people got it.
I wonder how much business they're gonna lose off that.
Yeah, I feel like most of those recordings, like they're just gonna, they're good and they're just gonna bypass it. Like they'll let you get your payout.
I just don't know why people trade Apex over Topstep or My Funny Future. It just, to me, doesn't make sense.
Yeah, like I mean, you wouldn't just choose Apex. And Apex would be the extra add-on to diversify and to get more scalability.
Look, bro, look at that volume spike right there.
Yeah, we just pushed up and boom, straight out.
I think for Apex, it's just a scalability factor. Like before, when they were legit, they were the easiest firm to trade, in my opinion, to make most money.
Very easy.
Like, no firm offers the ability to make $200-$300 a day and still take 40K, 60K payouts per window.
Hopefully, their revamp that they mentioned is good.
The survey, the survey is gonna be whatever that, all those plan if they can do that. I want to see this breaker hold here. It's like a 30-second one instead of a larger one. After we got that 15-minute tap already, giving bullish indication. We just drop down to a lower tie range. See if this play would work. We're looking for a displacement through the 76 now. Have you guys tried fast track trading? Have you done that, Lento, or have you just
no, not yet. I plan on those soon.
You said you plan on them?
Yeah, I might as well not talk about them because you don't want to endorse a firm like that that's not
Yeah.
established yet. So I think just honestly just ignore it. For me at least, like I need to see them pay me out. I gotta see how they operate. And I got first red flag though. When I initially tried buying their accounts, they don't have a CC processor, meaning they.
Oh yeah, you have to do bank wire or crypto.
Yeah. And the CEO came. So this was like a month ago, and the CEO was talking about how they were going to introduce CC processors, like credit card processors.
Mm-hmm.
And then a month later, like a couple days ago, he came out mentioning, "Oh, nah, we're just not going to do it. We're just not going to do it."
I didn't like that either.
And it's just like, okay, so now there's a sole reason behind why you're doing that, which is disputes, right? So that is a flag, right?
That's like literally what he said to, I think during that whatever interview was, he was like, there's a lot of disputes and a lot of stuff like that. It's like, so you want to do bank wires where they can't do anything? Not having CC sketchy. It is sketchy, man.
Yep.
Yeah, this 1 minute, or not 1 minute, this 30-second breaker with the fair value gap here, the unicorn trade worked out here at the low 60s. That's an easy scalp. Just a continuation from that 15-minute retracement down while we're respecting the 1 minute larger breaker. And the first target was internal high there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did they even have trade evade?
They don't have I think it's only Ninja, isn't it?
That was only Ninja.
Yeah, they have NT via through Quant Tower.
Quant Tower is pretty nice.
Dude, they're so sus because like, bro, when I bought the accounts, they like sent me their bank info. They're like, yeah, you gotta wire us this.
I just don't like wire things. Like,
if you're supposed to be, if you want to be a legit prop firm, like the number one thing is having a credit card processor. That's like the number one most functioning thing in in all of business.
They don't want the chargebacks, bro, when they go down. Sorry, I'm negative Nancy.
No. I agree. That's the thing. I agree. I think it's a rug pull. I think they're just trying to make money short term.
Wait, they're trying to build it up so like everyone's like, oh, I've been paid out with them. Then more people join, and then once the cash flow goes negative, they can just stop right there.
Yep.
And it could be like 10 million, 15 million pending payouts, and they might not just pay out there, and just keep like positive cash flow for that few months. There'll be some red flags for a few months. They'll be like, oh, we have a lot of delays happening, like the forex firms, and then shut down.
Oh, just like Apex, right? No, I'm kidding.
Apex has at least been paying people, a lot of people. Were you the one who sent the group chat like they haven't paid that much this month?
Yeah, so a couple of days ago there was a post someone posted on Twitter, which was insane. They on their payout page, they've paid out 16 traders in 14 days.
Someone fact check that, like, and see.
Yeah, go to the payout page. I don't know if they updated it now, but in terms of unique paid out traders, not like multiple accounts. Unique paid out traders 16, I think 15 or 16 in 14 days.
I never look at them, but I'll try to see if I can find it. Where would it be? Payout. Someone will always be posting links about them. Can someone post a link in the chat?
Daryl's paying all the money on the Mavs season open tickets, Brian. Front court.
A lot of firms rugging forex. Not much in futures, but
yeah, not in futures really.
Not yet, at least, bro. If it gets bigger.
That technically hasn't been a single rug yet.
I would consider ETF a rug.
Oh, fuck ETF, bro.
If you saw what they did recently about like, I think there's like all VPN stuff. Like they're like, oh, you use a VPN. A lot of people didn't even use the VPN, and they breached them because of that.
That's insane.
And they just made a lot of rules, all that stuff. I think that's the only firm that I'm like, what the heck? They actually did it, and that's why they're dead now. But they're still existing.
Fuck ETF. Fuck ETF. Dog shit firm.
Someone in my chat, Jax posted the fast track trading address is literally a mail center. Bro, look at this, dude.
Let me see.
It's not even an office, dude. No, I know where
they're operating out of here. Look at that push.
Oh.
Yeah, good push.
Is that mail center? No way. What? Is that the same thing with Apex?
Show chat.
Yeah. It's next to Wolfgang. This isn't a plaza, it's a mail center. That's their address.
Guys, this is the address for fast track trading, bro. Take that firm on your own risk. No credit card processor in 2024, bro.
That's like, look.
Think about that, bro. Discords have credit card processors, bro. But a prop firm can't? Yeah. Get out of here.
Yeah, and they talked about installing it for a good month, and they just ended up lying, you know?
Mm-hmm. So, like, I think it's just, like, take a time bomb. Like, it's they gotta pay people because they have good cash flow, and, like, people take, like, months to build a good payout, but then it's gonna flip. But, yeah, this is a good trade here for the unicorn in the 30-second, guys. We already kind of moved 25 points from there. I'm just gonna flip back to the 1 minute here. So far, the 5 minute wicking up and closing just a little bit higher every single time. If it does flip, I'm gonna look at shorts. This is like
I still think
3 failed highs already.
that BPR is still a good outlook, in my opinion, but it's stagnant. Price is stagnant.
What's the address of Apex? Is it? Hopefully, there's this office, or they're gonna have the same.
Probably fucking Daryl's barn. Dude, fucking CC coming next month. They literally just announced it a couple days ago, and they're this way that they're not going to be installing a CC processor.
Like,
Are you serious?
How hard is it to install something, bro?
Yeah.
That? Dude, I would never ever send a wire to any of these dudes, bro.
Do you guys realize if they don't have a CC, like, if they don't have a processor, that means you cannot dispute. That is a Ponzi scheme. That is terrible.
I was literally gonna try them, but then I mean, a lot of people were talking about it last week, and I guess I don't want to do a bank wire to them.
Yeah, I was gonna buy some accounts. I was like, I literally have like I was ready. I talked to Desi and Brian about it, and then I go to the page to where you pay, and it's just bank information. I'm like, bro, what? Oh, they don't have a credit card processor. The most basic thing when it comes to running a business.
What firms don't have a credit card processor?
Only them, bro. Literally.
It's just red flags, guys. Red flags. Now they're legit. You can say that for now, bro, but ETF was legit at one point.
Yeah, they were.
Facts.
They were doing really good. Let's see how they couldn't. They tried to compete with Apex, but Apex has a business model where it's like exploiting people that can't handle a trailing drawdown, and they try to do that business model too with 90%, 80% sale, and they got washed.
What's the fact check funding Twitter? What the hell?
I think I'm gonna try this out. I tried the scalp out earlier. I'm gonna give this. Oh, we didn't get closed first. We need a fair value at first.
Listen, with all due respect, if you guys see traders, if you guys see traders opening prop firms, just please continue trading the big three. Like, don't even. That's with all due respect. It just
doesn't make sense because, like, you know how many people want us to do a prop firm? Like, but we're making a good money from prop firms. Like, why would we start a prop firm? So some people can make money out of us.
Yeah, no, dude, there's a couple of traders out here who just got a couple payouts and they could run a whole firm now. The whole firm, it's an entire business model, like a complete business.
And you're gonna see what they're gonna do when the firm can't pay out because, let's say, not enough people fail, because that's the main business model, right?
Yep.
This didn't flip here yet.
Yo, what happened to that one guy? His firm.
Who?
It was like option stocks firm.
Fuck. Oh, the little 15-year-old boy or Nicholas or something?
No, Nico. It was Nico.
Oh, Nico. Is he still doing good?
Whatever happened? It's still open. I mean, sure, but like, is it like?
I don't know.
I'm not firing shots at anybody, bro. It's not him. I'm talking about the overall space. There's no point in people like trading. Like, with all due respect, I'll talk about Nico because I'll confidently say like he should not be operating a firm. You are 1 year into trading. You remember after like a year after he started trading, I remember he posted a tweet where he was like, "I think I finally mastered this," and then he came back like exposing himself.
Bro, it's not even shots fired. If you look at the like tail across everything, like it's only facts. Like it's not like we're making up shit. I mean, you've seen what happens when influencers create their own shit. It never works out, whether it's a bot or anything like that. It's just
we wish them the best, but it's just like you're not gonna compete
Yeah.
against these big three. You know, you're just not gonna compete. You're not.
Yeah, look at bro. Fucking Donovan Blues investors' money, bro.
I
shit
heard
was
about
crazy.
that. Like I just heard about that today.
Dude,
I
that
had no
guy,
idea.
he literally blew people like entire port, bro, one day.
It looked like, I think there's a graph. He went like 50% in the money within like 3 days, and then like within that 3 days, it just went to zero.
I withdrew 86K from Apex so far. I'm about to start my Twitter to start my guru eras for the withdrawal of 86K. Bro, that's more than enough, bro. And I'm always like, hey, bro, if you want to go promote your shit, do it. Grow your personal brand, 100%. I'm all for it.
Dude, 86K.
Go ahead and do it, bro. That's more really good. And congrats. 86K is a lot.
That's more than like 85% of people.
Not even 85. That's more than 99% of people.
Not literally, bro. 86K on one firm. That's more than what most people are up all time trading.
I can say it depends on how much he spent. He can spend like
80K. 99% of people overall.
Right, even if you spent
profitable, you're already in the 1%.
Yeah.
Probably like in top 3 or 4%, but
I'm gonna be bullish until this flips here. It's just chopping around. We have 3 failed highs right now. But I still like higher. It's just holding.
He's Jerome Powell.
Jerome Powell. He's gonna pump his. He's got long. He's gonna talk good about the market.
Yeah, MFU also does really good because they have such a proven track record from my funded FX, and then Matt Leach is a good business dude. Like they pay. Like if you guys ever requested a payout from my funded futures, that shit comes into your bank within 12 hours. Like it's insane.
Yeah.
You don't gotta wait 2-3 weeks for your shit to hit your bank. Like get that shit instantly. Same with Topstep, bro. They've been processing stuff so quickly.
Yeah, Topstep's goated, bro. Topstep is.
I just don't think there could be any other firm.
Hater. Yeah.
Like what other firm could compete with like the big ones right now that has been here for years and years? Because they're doing competitive pricing, so like it's hard for them.
If you're like, especially with like good examples like Patek, like you're not gonna outwork Patek. Patek has too much experience in this field. He's been running Topstep for what, a decade?
Yeah,
bro.
More than a decade.
He was running firms. He was running firms before firms were essentially even a thing.
Yeah.
10, 11 years ago, he introduced that. They were extremely unpopular, and he started 10, 11 years ago, right? So one was just like 2013. Dude. And like now you see him like if you're a social media content, like even if you have fucking the Avengers on you, you're not gonna beat Patek because Patek just experience overrides everything, you know. And it's just like it's just I don't know.
Yeah, and now they're like 10, 14 years. I don't know what it is. Their payout history has been like flawless. For the most part, I don't think I've seen any really payout.
No, I've never ever seen someone get denied for like true reasoning. I've seen people get denied because they blow their account before like they could get approval, or they take a trade and they lose before approval hits. But it's just like if you just wait out their approval, I never see someone actually get denied. Dude, Patek, Topstep, they've changed the industry. They've changed the game for sure, 100%. They're the industry standard. That's what they are.
Yeah.
Industry standard.
And the people always like, oh, you gotta people who don't trade prop firms like, oh my god, like. Trading prop firms, you have to guess if you're getting your payout or not. Like that's literally just one firm. Topstep, not that I know of, has ever denied anyone for any reason.
Oh, yeah, I seen a tweet.
My funded futures, they don't deny either. So it's like
Desi, I know you're talking about.
Like, how can prop firms be quote unquote scam when the two biggest firms are the biggest providers? And they actually shit. If you trade Apex, trade at your own risk, knowing what can happen, and then people complain about it after the fact. Like, you signed up for this. Read the contract or some shit. I don't know. I hate when people act surprised when some shit comes up. It's like, bro, just read the thing. I rant. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm not even mad about the video. Like, as long as, like, let's say, like, there's hundreds of people or thousands of people that got that video thing, and everyone does it, and they just, process the previous payout and the current one, I'll be fine. And that'll probably clear you for a long period of time. They won't check you again because you already got confirmed. Well, let's just see.
Yep.
Wait, what do you guys talk about YOLO? What happened? Someone saying YOLO don't know what he's talking about.
YOLO. Oh, like just another YOLO?
I don't know.
Is that what you're talking about?
Someone in the chat.
Oh, someone posted his tweet in my chat yesterday talking about, I think it kind of went popular, like, stop worrying about this
that
trade.
That dude's a scammer. I'm gonna say that dude's a scammer. That dude's a scammer. I don't give
Buddy,
a fuck.
I don't want him talking, bro. If his Photoshop didn't exist, Buddy would be on the streets right now under a bridge. Real shit. Clip this shit and send it to him, bro.
That dude's the biggest cap of 2024, dude. 2024.
Dude, this is good here.
So many fucking people who just fake stuff. It's just like, bro, I don't know. Like, bro, you could ask him for bank statements. He could probably fake that somehow too. Just knowing him.
I'll leave it off this. He literally made his own video and tried to send it to us, trying to prove that he's real. Think about that. And it was edited in the most fucking trash way possible.
Bro, this dude photoshopped in front of us, IRL.
Yeah,
when that happened,
did. Bro opened his laptop. I swear to God, he opened his laptop up and it had the Weeble Photoshop already.
Yeah, it was like an image. It was an image
numbers.
already. Yeah, it was just an image in Photoshop already. And bro, oh my God, this is moved past it.
Yeah, I could go on a rant. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to ruin. Sorry, Brian. I want to ruin.
Yeah, good. I have no idea what it's. Let me look at his tweet though.
By the way, I'm just so I don't get sued. I allegedly said he was a scammer. He's not a scammer. Just allegedly, okay?
Allegedly.
Allegedly, yeah. Allegedly, so.
Oh, actually, tweet. It's just his take, I guess.
There's a lot of big names I don't mess with, bro.
You would know not to try with me though, because I could expose, bro. Oh my God.
Casper has me blocked because I called him out for paper trading on Tradeovate, or not Tradeovate, TOS.
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
He literally posted a paper screenshot, blocked me, and deleted the post.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have anything against them. It's just,
if you guys want to know like good people to follow, let's go through our followings on Twitter. Me, Brian, and Lantos. Those traders we have on there that we follow are, first of all, they're very educational, right? And then they're also very good actual traders.
I'm not, bro. Like I swear to God, I'm not even lying. Desi, Brian, and one other trader are the only traders I know in this industry. Verified proof that they make more money trading than Discord. I swear to God. Me, Brett, Desi, and Brian. Only people I know where they are making more money trading than actually Discord. And Kane. Yeah, and Kane.
Kane is a killer, man.
Kane is a killer, bro.
So, yeah, him too as well.
Oh, Ash is
like,
like those people are all good. Like Ash is really good. Kane's really good.
I don't know Ash, so I can't really say anything. But
I know Brian kind of knows him.
Yeah, I know Ash.
I have a few options.
Ash trades.
Really solid.
We're talking off topic because we're just waiting for Sprite to do something. It's just been back and forth, but I think we might get something here. I like this move. I'm looking for this breaker to confirm here.
I'm not gonna say anything about Ryan. I think he's a solid guy. I'm just not gonna say anything about his trading. That's
going through my following list of seeing who I want to really shout out here.
I just
They no closure, bub.
Johnny's the GOAT.
Yeah, it's
It's a CTE price action, bro.
CTE price action. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. We've just been trading off that 1 minute gap all freaking for the past 30 minutes or so.
Desi learned from Didi. Let that sink in, bro. Go to my YouTube and look at my first inversion video. It's been like 500 days.
I think he's trolling you. Staying Frost, he's trolling you.
Yeah, he probably is.
I know who Frosty is. I know. He's in Lanto's chat.
Who's CJ?
CJ.
CJ. Like,
I wouldn't say he's a scammer, bro. Scammer's a very loosely thrown word, bro.
Yeah.
These days, which I don't like. Scamming is like, yo, let me trade your money for you, and then they block you after. That's scamming, bro. Or like, whatever. Scamming is crazy. Dodgy Cheech is good. I like Dodgy. I don't have anything else.
Yeah, CJ is just like a live trader on YouTube, which trades ICT, but he shows all his positions. So like, I don't think it matters what we say. Like, he's legit just because of that. He shows every single trade. Look at ES. I'm like, NQ has more a little bit range, but ES just like for barcoding. I'm waiting to see if we can close above.
yeah, I'm probably gonna sit out and be honest. I'm not interested in this anymore. I am not good.
Robert, I'm gonna address it, but I'm not gonna go. So, well, for me, Brian and Lanto, if the trader is good, he shows payouts as a legit, bro. We have respect for him, like regardless, right? If they don't want to show respect back, that it is what it is. Like, I don't just call out people; just call them out, right? So it is what it is. The good thing, this is a solo sport, right? You don't need anyone's opinions or feelings with each other.
Bro, I'm not even kidding, bro. Like, real talk. The more like I've like got into trading, the more I realized how much better I am when I work by myself. I swear, I used to think I was always a team player. Like, I felt I could operate better with people around me. The more I like trade over the years, the more I realized like, yo, low key, like, actually like fuck with doing shit by myself. But yeah, I don't know. It's just a weird thing to say. But yeah, I'm never gonna call anybody out that.
It doesn't do good to go back and forth. There's just no point.
Yeah.
You're only able to call out Patrick.
Unless
yeah.
Unless he's affected me or any of my members. Like, if that's the case, then I'll say so. If not, like, I just do you. Even if I come out and say something, like, is anything gonna really happen? No. So.
And this is what I think. Like, with our this is one of the better, like, one of the best qualities that Brian Lanto have, and I think myself as well, is like, there's no reason to engage back and forth. Like, we're in our early 20s. There'll be a lot of early 20-year-olds who go back and forth on Twitter or say some crazy shit, you know, whatever. It is what it is, bro. Not everyone's gonna like you. It is fine. Keep doing your thing.
Oh, still.
Someone is asking about how you trade your Topstep Lanto.
It's like, yeah, dude. Shit.
I think when you say like you just trail what you've been doing is just trailing your position and let it ride. So it could be like a few thousand, or it could be like a 10,000 run just because it trails up.
Yeah.
And just lately, it's been like pretty trend based too.
Yeah, it depends on the state of price, essentially. With my trade, or my day yesterday, where I did, 12K per account, I think I did most of it through Asia. Being that I just had a nice trade, and we ended up just riding higher and higher and higher. The weird thing is, right, I ended up closing for 12K per account. That could have been a day where I could have closed for 20K plus, but I got trailed out. So to me, I just trail stops and let it go until it trails me out. That's how I just let it ride, essentially. But I'm gonna have a whole thing coming out soon on like just going over everything with that. That's just like
1,000 likes for the sauce.
There's things to it that I do, but I just like whenever people ask you what's your sizing, like or was like the number one most hated question I for me is when someone asks you, what do you size on your personal account? What do you size on your Topstep account? I'm like, I know what you're trying to get at here because you're gonna try to take advice from that, but that's relative. Sizing is relative because I don't know what your objective with the account is. I don't know what the state of your capital is, and I don't know what the state of your mentality is as well. Because if you have capital and you feel you're okay with blowing the account and you're trying to trade high leverage, that's fine. You could do that, which is what I'm doing. Or if you don't have capital and you're trying to sort of just compound, it's different as well. So it's all relative. There's different approaches to accounts. For me, it's just like I say this. I tell Brad and I say this too. Apex is my personal. I compound. Like those are the accounts I don't fuck around with. I strictly one trade a day, compound, boom, boom, boom. I'm done with them. That's what I do. With those, I take security in that, and that security that I have in there, I know I can leverage on Topstep because, like, say even if I do blow accounts, I have that security there. But obviously, as of recent, that hasn't really helped it at all. Dude, I'm almost at 50 reserves. So, but yeah, it's just knowing. It's also conditions in the market. When conditions are properly right, you got to size the fuck up, slam trades that are very high probability and high probable conditions, and size down when they're not. I suppose that.
Have you seen Rips trading? I think that's why Rips. I think he's like affiliated with Topstep, or he works with Topstep on Twitter or YouTube.
No, I never seen him before.
Well, I'll just bring it up because I think he does kind of a similar thing that you've been doing now, where he works on his Express. He does like 3 or 4K, kind of like max every time. But he also, like, at the same time trades like the 5-10 combines. And like people would shit on him, like people are like, why are you blowing all these accounts, or why are you doing combines where you have Express funded and you're making money daily on them? But he's like, this is the way to do it. This is a strategy where like you can keep on pushing heavy on these Express accounts, and if he gets such a live, or if he, let's say, withdraw and blows up, he always have fresh reserves.
Mm-hmm.
And he shared that on Twitter every single time. Like, it shows his combine and Express.
Mm-hmm.
Rips is cool. Some of his trades are sus, long and top. That's just his trading style. I think he's more. I don't really know too much of his trading style. I've seen it a few times on Topstep TV where he's more trend based, where he just long the top, and it does work, I guess, for him.
But I mean, obviously I'm not like the craziest when it comes to long highs, but if draw is ultimately clear, if you think like we're gonna head a certain way and price just continues to trade that way, I don't think it's a bad idea. I've long highs before. I've done that before, and it's worked out. It just depends on if draw's very clear and what the state of price is at. So you can't really blame someone like that. But listen, if he's profitable, he's making money consistently, you can't shit on him for his strategy. Because at the end of the day, if you're someone hating on his strategy, like, he shits on you when it comes to trading. Respectfully, you can't hate on that. If you're profitable, you're a good trader. I don't care what strategy you trade. You could trade fucking bearish abandoned babies for a living. You can do that if you guys know what that
bearish
is.
Bearish abandoned babies.
If you make money consistently, though, you are profitable. You are a good trader. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters. This is Twitter I'm sharing like right now, where like he'll show he's like 4,500, 4,200 on the eval combines, and then like a few $100, and sometimes on Express, sometimes he goes like that 44K a year. He's gonna be always working on a combine, so he probably has a healthy reserves, and he'll fail some combines, but he'll still get a lot of Express, which is a very good way to go about it. We have equal lows on ES, but SMT still. If we get a flip here, I would like a longs a lot, but if it keeps us selling off, I'm looking at. Let me see where it was. A closure on the 5-minute, most likely the 1250, and keep us selling off the rest of the day. I need to see this flip here. If this can flip, I would like longs a lot, especially after all that consolidation, and we have some internals to take up too. just for the 1 minute. Like, if anything, if it does flip, this is what I'm looking for. Do you guys write off combines, activate fees, or your taxes as business? This is not financial advice or anything like that at all. But I think most prop traders do that. I think they should do that, but I shouldn't say that.
You guys pay taxes?
Yeah, you pay taxes, never mind. But like, I think the main case, like, let's say you do like 10K in payouts, but you spent 15K in expenses. You're not gonna. It's gonna be weird and awful for you to pay for those profits when you were actually net negative. But yeah, just talk to an accountant. Oh, the hell, yeah. They'll help you with it. If this flips here, I'm looking at longs. Do you like this, Desi?
I'm mentally checked out, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
I'm not. I am down for the day.
I'm gonna see if I can hunt for something. I still like the hourly push on NQ in the 500s. We hit basically the equilibrium for both NQ and ES on that move down, and I think, yeah, we took a jab in that 5-minute BPR. I don't know if you're still watching for that, Lanto, but very quick jab in. I flipped. And yeah, we do have some relatively cool highs, just basically at the highs here, and then another one, and then internals. This is a good target here. Just to see confirmation, because it's been chopping back and forth in a tight range. So if it's not ready, you're gonna like long near the upper high of the range. Yeah, beat the 1 minute lows on ES. Someone said on chat, equal lows, yes, but that's like also the SMT that we're liking because this is low on NQ. We dug deeper, ES didn't. I want to see that left behind if we're more bullish here.
Bro, I'm debating, Brian, if I should take my trip at the beginning or the first half of the month or the second half.
Do you tell people about the trip or no?
Yeah, did they even know?
Okay, so I don't want to talk about it if you've been like holding out on it. So for 15 days or 18 days, something. That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
I'll let bug Brian in Atlanta for 2 weeks. Not opening Discord.
Well, that's good though. Like, I'm also trying to do the same thing where like you can still grind and trade, but still like have like time for family or vacation or just for yourself, because you're gonna grind and make all this wealth, and you want to do something with it.
So I was like, maybe like smaller vacations throughout the year would be better versus one large one, because I really don't want to really trade or anything on there. On there.
Wait, was it 15 days or 18 days? I forget. It's still like more than 2 weeks.
It's 16 to 18, something like that. 16 or 18. Gotta check.
That'd be fun though.
Yeah, that's be good. We're like 3 to 4 cities.
Yeah, Dan's he's gonna fly back to California with the Japanese girl.
God, I'm about to passport bro this. Going there to find
Japan's
bro.
Probably gonna be nice though.
Yeah. The flight is gonna be a killer though, dude.
How long is the flight?
Like 13 hours.
13? Damn. Is that probably 2 or 3 flights? Or is it like
Nah, I took one.
Take one way? It's crazy.
Yeah. Don't Cali get feces everywhere? No, bro.
The only way to be profitable is to follow Topstep house accounts trades. I heard they've been read every day of the week to this week. Is that true? Can someone fact check that? Maybe he might meant like inverse them.
Oh, that. Trader, but I'm like an hour 30 north of Cali or LA.
How do they even trade their house accounts?
Dude, I don't even know. Every time I see them, they're down like 20K though, bro.
What size? Is it like 15
they got to drop a promo, dude. Yeah, literally 30K every day. They lost close to 100K this week. God damn, Michael Paddock in shambles.
Look at the SMT here on with ES pushing higher and Q still lagging behind. I still like longs for NQ, especially because we clicked and turn low already.
Someone should make a Twitter post. That would be funny, I'm not gonna lie.
Negative 55K in 2 days. Damn. That's light work for them though.
That is light work, bro. Hey, bro, it should go to show this price action has not been easy, bro.
Yeah. As like, who's trading on them? Is it like all of them collectively? Because I thought Dakota is an animal.
I think they're like I think the other day they're copying funded account traders trades and they got rinsed.
Oh.
So I don't know if they're still doing that. They're trading. They're just copy trading basically on live to kind of like show.
Mm-hmm.
I guess they picked the wrong traders that day.
Bro, they should just copy trade Lanto. Just 10x the size. If Lanto do a 10K day, they'll do a 100K a day. It's a cheat code, basically.
Mm-hmm. Imagine. Bro, markets are closed Monday.
Yeah.
What am I gonna do on Monday?
We're not gonna wait until like Thursday to request payout on Topstep. Shit's tragic. Yo, football season starts again though. Thursday night football.
Dude, I can't wait, bro.
Oh
I can't wait.
God. Bro, I am itching.
Can't wait. Who plays first day?
I forget. I'm more so excited for the Giants.
God damn, bro, the Giants, dude.
Yeah, I'm excited for Daniel Jones, top 5 quarterback when he's healthy.
Top 5 quarterback of all time when he's healthy, bro.
Correct.
I'm actually excited. Malik Neighbors, bro.
Yo, Ravens versus Chiefs.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's gonna be a crazy first game. Wait, they have a game Thursday and Friday. What the hell? Friday, they got a game Packers versus Eagles Friday.
Wait, is Friday games gonna be like legit? I know last year they tested it out, right?
Yeah, it's at 8:15.
That's so goated. Friday games.
Oh yeah, that's actually lit, bro. I wish they had that when I was in school, bro.
Nah,
bro, imagine like on a Friday night after school, you come home and like your team's playing. Oh, that would hit so hard.
You know, your team get rinsed and ruin your weekend early.
He said, "Shut up." He's like, "Shut up." Dude, Lanto, did you see? I think I saw Ronaldo made a YouTube. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
He made it recently. He had like 50 mil plus subscribers.
Lanto was the first sub, bro.
You got the silver button, the gold button, and the diamond button in one day. That's like
was it one day?
Like, yeah, it was
dude, one
one day.
They sent it to the house within like an hour, dude. That shit was so funny. It's like they already had it pre-made for him.
Bro, the people were trolling him though. They were like, so he had a video of him showing it off to his kids, and then like they photoshopped like a World Cup trophy in it.
Damn,
that's crazy.
Why you do my goat like that?
Ronaldo is goated, bro.
Yeah. I saw like a clip of like Aiden Ross saying like if LeBron could do the same thing or something like that. Did you guys see that? Like if LeBron made a YouTube channel, he'll do 50 mil as well one day or something. I was like, I don't know if that's true because Ronaldo's international.
Ronaldo's international.
Yeah,
I'll make 50 million accounts just for.
Bro, Ronaldo could like go anywhere, literally anywhere in the world, and he got swarmed.
Mm-hmm.
He just has that aura, you know.
You think if Messi do YouTube, how many subscribers he can do in one day?
He wouldn't get as much. He wouldn't get as
like
much.
half
Bro
or
can't
a
speak
quarter.
English, bro.
Nah, you probably get like 75% of Ronaldo gets. Ronaldo's just
Oh,
the
that's
most.
good,
He's
still.
the most known. He's the most known person. He's like the modern day. Nah, I'm not even gonna say that. But he's a modern day really known guy.
It's good. All right, if we get this inversion, I'm looking for entry and taking out this internal, and then eventually 500s.
I'm gonna hop off in like 15 minutes, Brian.
Yeah, let's see if we get something first.
Wait, got a headache.
That's the inversion there. Internal target hit. I want to see this squeeze here now. After all
PPR validated.
Yeah, that's the same PPR that me and Lanto were looking at, the 5-minute retap down. Normally, I would like to pyramid inside these trades where I'll add starters in that discount area because really had the 50% discount too. Perfectly hit there, and then whatever 1-minute setup I see or lower time frame setup, I'll add to that trade. I don't know if I see anything. But I like for a retap back in this order block. And we just add our way back up. Yeah, what I'm looking for longs, I want to see us get a retap back inside this 15-minute if that holds. But today, price action been very choppy. I'm definitely just
Down,
play to see.
down.
Let's see if this order block holds here, and as long as the inversion holds, that's where I like for a retrace to tap in. Yeah, but that entry at 70. This is not much of a move here, but we want to see the equal high get tagged. It's just been so slow and choppy today. Just take what you get. This is ugly. Let me fix this. There we go. I just have one in right now. I'm just gonna add more as it goes. If we can hold above 74, we're looking at 500 as a target. There we go. Where would I look for if this can hold above 74? I just want to see. I'll look at the higher time frames because this is the main target. So if this could hold above and I get a nice closure, 500 is gonna be there for us. ES hasn't really taken out any internal, one of those large internal yet. There we go.
Good push. There we go. Good PPR validation.
Perfect retap back in the version in the order block. That's what I entered at right there. I'm just looking for ads right now, but I'm just waiting to see what we get first. I'll just move my stops. I'm not trying to mess with today too much. Just play what you get.
Yep.
I'm gonna look at next ads though. I would. This might be a decent breaker to go at, but there's just way too many lows and highs here. ES is moving nicely though. I want to see ES take this internal high. Can do that.
That BPR about it, bro. That BPR works so well.
Yeah, it did.
Super nice.
50% that range too. Let's draw it out. Right there on the dot. You just like at equilibrium. That BPR and just slam back up. That's like nice 50 points from that BPR. But it just took a long time for it to get there. It was like so many chop until we got there, and then it flipped. It was good.
Yeah, I was disinterested off that that period of consolidation where we were just chop, but once we came down, especially ES nicely came down, swept that internal low that we formed at 120, I believe, or is that equal lows? Oh no, we created equal lows. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Are you talking about
Who
ES?
said, oh shit?
Never mind. Never mind.
Equal lows on ES?
Yo, end of day, in 45 minutes, SPX is about to go crazy, bro. I'm telling you. Let's get the Weeble ready.
Should I just depot a ban right now on Robinhood? Just go SPX? No, imagine.
Robinhood, bro. That instant deposit shit is insane.
This is so slow.
Of it, bro.
Just gonna let him play.
Yeah, a little back and forth.
Give me the impulse that you talk about, Lanto.
Yeah, impulse, especially more so ES, because I think we might
ES is
just
looking
reverse
like
off
it
the
wants
ES,
to get
take
22
high.
right now.
Yeah. What I would do here is just, bro, just even though it's not hitting full take profit that equal high on NQ, sure, partial move stops break you, and I'm just not interested in putting any more risk on this. If I were to trade this, but I'm flat right now.
Man, this sucks. Let's see if this ES high get ran though. Kind of what I'm drawing to right now. If you got the inversion closure, that's fine. If you got the order block retap, inversion retap, that's what I entered at. I'm still looking for ads if it shows nice displacement and good momentum. But until then, I'm just letting it play here.
Interesting.
Is ICT watching the stream today? Probably not. He probably doesn't even like this price action.
ICT, do you hear me?
Sleep. He's getting old too. He's gonna be like, this is moving too slow. He's gonna fall asleep during stream.
Nap does sound really good right now.
Push. That BPR was so nice on ES. We just created an equal low, but so nice. Like I said, the reason, because I initially had that prior gap marked up above. I usually don't do that. But I just really think that our low days put in. I think we trade higher. I really do.
We talked about that like literally at the start of the stream, and it was so slow for to deliver that move, and then that 5-minute BPR retap, deeper drive in that 15-minute, it finally delivered. And we now want to see a 500 move up now. We have equal highs at 500 on NQ, and we have that large unmitigated 15-minute fair value gap, and also on the hourly, unmitigated on the hourly too. So I want to see they get ran, but they just move so slow. Chicken wagon get.
You know what Just waiting here, patient. we just like see an impulse candle now? Just trade over that route of high. Just show us does he show us what we do take out that high on ES that it doesn't want to come back down and tag those equal lows, that it just wants to reverse back up here.
This is where you keep on saying like impulse, 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 and it actually does it. I need everyone to chant it.
Yeah, usually I just put magnets. I tell my people to put magnets in the
magnet
chat.
emojis, yeah.
The magnets go crazy.
Look at that. Yeah, I only have one in, so guys, I don't know where.
Look at that.
Stops up. Looking good though. I want to see this high taken though. Don't leave this ESI. 22.
Alright guys, I'm gonna hop out of here.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna catch you, bro. Have a good one.
Yeah. So went to 4 hour looks bullish. Yeah, because we did retap in that 4 hour. We also did that Thursday too, and then rotate back up. Just look at the hourly though. We have, look at where it closed and look at the wicks. If we can get a nice close on this hourly for power hour, maybe like at 500, this looks good.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We need to pick up here soon because this looks like it's. I feel like if ES takes that route of high out, and it turns around at all here, NQ will just turn right back down.
I just want to see that ES take the highs first.
Yeah, same.
We'll do that if anything. Then we'll get a move probably like 85 on the NQ. Should be like nice 20, 23 points.
Unless we impulse it.
Jack does hit like lows. I'm still edging higher until I see otherwise. This is the first indication where we get that 5-minute retap, retrace, and push higher. That 1 minute flip, this is what we're looking at. 1 minute flip here, 69. That could be an entry, but I wanted it retap in that 1 minute fair value gap plus that order block. That is a clean one. That's my entry there. Really no drawdown there yet.
Sounds like I might even read that. You guys are dirty minded, man.
Everyone spam the magnet emoji. Maybe it'll help.
Who knows?
Where's the magnet? Let me do this. Here's a magnet emoji.
Yeah, this is just. We gotta see like a big 5-minute candle here, or else this is gonna turn around.
At least it's grinding up pretty nice though.
Yeah, it just looks like it could turn around though. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Here it comes. There's the magnet. There's the magnet. Yo, you guys called it. You guys got the magnet. You guys got it.
So it does work.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? So there's been a couple times where people in my chat are like, "Yo, like, what's the indicator that you have on right now?" I'm like, "It's just the magnet." They're like, "No, what's the indicator called though?" Yeah.
This is where, if I had, I'll trim a lot if I had more of a larger size, just because ES enter high. That's what I was going for mostly. And I'll try to hold a run up to 500. I only have one in though.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. As soon as you guys started spamming it, it actually impulsed. Like, it actually did.
That means we have market makers watching us.
Correct.
Pretty good. Pretty good. I was going to see if we can get 500, so I'll just shift stops.
Now I'm looking for 503 on NQ. That's the only thing I'm looking for.
Yeah,
As soon as that hit,
503s.
that's full validation off this trade. Everyone now flip over and start spamming the 503s. 503, then a magnet emoji. That's what I do with my chat. That's That's look at that. Look at that. This is why you believe in the magnet. Right? 13 points out of that 503 area. I think we need a little bit more juice.
I'm gonna start doing the magnet too on the streams if you're not here.
No, that's my trademark. I didn't think of this shit.
This is his trademark. If it's working so well, why don't we just all use it? Share the sauce.
Yo, I just hurt myself.
I just got green stopped on that one mini at 84s. It's 22 points for me.
Yeah.
I had a higher entry though because I took the recent one up. If you guys see the 5-minute PR, you guys are sitting pretty. Good trade though. 23 points.
Yep.
Look what Russ said, Lato. No way.
That's crazy.
Peach emoji for backshot pump for Brian. I am not trademarking peach.
Yeah, you should do the peach, or what else should you do? What's a good Brett? I don't even know.
ES took that internal high. This could flip and go.
Yeah.
That's why I put that stop 83 like I talked about. I got stopped out.
Look at that 5-minute sequence. It's nasty. But yeah, if ES truly wants to drive lower, it has to drive off here. In my opinion, because if it wants to take out those equal lows, it has to take it to this equal high, or not equal high, but the relative high.
This was a nice entry though. This is what I basically did. I think 63, 62, something like that. And it stopped at 84s, 20 points, 21 points. It went a little bit higher to 30 points, but can't time stop. It doesn't want 500. Honestly, I feel like this runs during power though. We're just chop more. Just look how the higher time frame showing. Like, if we can get a nice hourly close somewhere, a green close basically, we just keep on closing, open close very tight, but large wicks down, and we get a nice close up. The body's gonna tell or move up to this unmitigated hourly here, which is that 500, 514 area. Anyone get a My Fun Future reset code? Did they give a reset code? I didn't. I wasn't aware. Is it the emails they do? Let me see. No, I didn't get anything. It was just you, man. Yeah, Paulo, you can DCA dollar cost average for Topstep. Not an Apex though. Apex, that's the thing now. Anytime I hear any retail strategies talking about DCA, I just think of Apex. They literally teach that in textbooks. They teach that anywhere. Like, oh, you just dollar cost average. Like, I just think of Apex immediately. They don't want that. What about My Fun Futures? They allow it too. It is literally just Apex. They don't even try to make it like oh, what firm allows DCA or which one doesn't. It's just only Apex, from what I've known about the, like say the big 5 feature firms. But press 1 if you guys take the trade with us here, the inversion, or the BPR, whichever you did. The 1 minute entry, which the closure at 68, or resap inversion, whichever it is, or the 5 minute BPR, whichever you did. Press 1.
Yeah, good move overall.
We're likely to give away soon too.
Dub.
I think that was the only trade that I was really going for. I was also going for the 5 minute BPR, but I was not really. But I think we were talking about something else at the time. I got distracted. But once we get that down here, we could have added right there. My thing was like, if we can invert this, we're gonna just grind up. I went to do a reset on my fund feature right now, but it was set to $0. I think, is it the new prop the new platform they have? It's like DX feed or something, or something like that. It said in the email, like, if you have that, you get a free reset for the first one. But yeah, I'm content though. That's the only trade I did. It was a green trade. Nothing more, nothing less, man.
Yeah, looks like we're fighting back over that round of high. Get a closure over off the 5. I do think IQ will drive into that 503 high. Still looks pretty bullish. It's just a slow burner.
I think we might just chop a little bit though until power. I want, as long as this hourly holds, which the hourly open at 448, we're like 40 points higher. I just need to just hold above 465. I think we just keep on pushing. Nice grind up right now.
We're just.
This is something I just see a post about Don Vo, I think. For context, why Don went ghost. Don in one day blew through 1 million USD investors' money with a bullish high frequency trading bot. He tried to make a quick money scheme. Blah blah. Deleting his posts on social media. Ghosts. That's crazy. In 3 days, I think. That was like the time frame. 3 days. That is crazy.
Yeah, we're just sort of. Just want to see the high get taken.
Andrew, did you hear about anything about this payout cycle for Apex or no?
Me?
Yeah.
Yep, I got the email sent.
You wait, is this something you can talk about, or is it something private?
It's the same email you got.
Video
email. I gotta send it again.
Yeah. I thought you did it already though. So I was like, okay, you
I did.
Get approved this time.
It's new accounts though, remember? Yeah.
That's
what happened with the old accounts?
Like, but why would that matter? Because you're the same user.
Bro, I don't
or
know.
I think I do it every time. Like you, I guess, start fresh accounts or new accounts, and then like you gotta do it again. You gotta do it again. We don't know if this you trading. It's like I thought that would be clear.
Yeah, I don't understand. So it happened to somebody else as well. I know, who got the email sent, and then, I think not even 2 months later, he got the email sent again, where he was like, "Yeah, they need video proof again." So it's just like, why? You know, why?
Strategy doesn't change. It's just the same thing. They're thinking you're trading like a whole different model or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Because they send you that email to just verify it's you essentially, and you actually trading. So once they verify it, why would they need to do it again 2 months later? Like, what are you gonna switch?
And this is where everyone talks about influencer privilege. Like, we don't have it, and we're just like, what the heck?
I have it worse than you guys, to be honest.
Yeah.
I have influencer this privilege because when you guys get some of you guys in here who I know have gotten the emails sent where they're like, "Yo, send video recording." For me, it was different because they had all the evidence for me because I have a Discord, obviously, and obviously social media. They had so much evidence on me. They had so many different things that they could have used against me. But for an average person, you actually do have an advantage because like you're just an average person, right? You don't have everything else behind it. Which I'd rather, bro. At some point, these certain points, I wish I was just an average person too. Just didn't have to worry about shit. Because anytime I would talk to them about it, they would always bring some shit up. Here we go.
There we go. Everyone spam the magnet.
503 magnet. Everyone in my Discord right now who's listening in right now, spam the 503s. I just want to see if anyone's actually paying attention. Yeah. Brian's line for the dub.
Shit, I'm supposed to search out the magnet. I typed in magnet. I didn't mean to do that. There you go. 503, 503.
Here it comes.
There we go. Clean sweep. I have one in on that retap. It hasn't hit 503 yet for me. Did it? No, I didn't yet. I put the line at 503.
Yeah, we'll hit it. We'll see. There's no
Imagine it does because I think you missed it by like 2-3 ticks for me.
It will. It will. You'll see it. See impulse too. Let's look at ES. ES has no purpose in turning around here. I think FQ will just follow along.
Yeah, I only mainly join in the first initial entry. The second one I just join in on my own. Just to see it play out. That was more risky for me. So we took the buy side already done on ES. But did we get 503 yet? No, I didn't get exit out yet. Anyways, besides that, like look at the 15-minute gap and look at the hourly gap. I think we have a good chance to drive higher, at least a 510, 508 maybe, and then even higher than that. The 15-minute gap is 540.
Where's the impulse? We set an equal high there. Where's the impulse? Want to see a good candle over that.
Do they prove you after you send a video? This is new to me, so I can't answer that. But from what I hear from people that DM me, like with the experience of the past, they said they approve those previous requests as well. Yeah, I think more upside too. I don't think 503 is the last limit. This is grinding up. This is nice here. If we're already consolidating, this is gonna likely push through this pretty hard, and you can ride that with whatever news you have. I would want to say 510s, at least another 5-10 points. Try to get the rest out there. But good trade, nevertheless, guys. Oh, one might top step and copy the trade. What the heck? Well, I have fresh express now. Oh, there you go. That's 510. Just flying the last one there.
There you go.
That's all I wanted.
Beautiful move.
A trade a few counts a day. About $400 on
next.
Tradeovate and 2K on if you express. That might be it for me. I don't think I'm itching for more. what type of videos are they asking? If you look at Twitter, I think it's been floating around. Like, it's basically a video of your broker. So it's like TradeAway or Ninja Trader. It shows your count. It shows the date, the time, and they want you to trade. I think like, Lance, do you know the duration? Is it like, can the trade be like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or does it have to be longer than that? Or is it multiple trades?
For the videos, yeah, They said it does. They even say in the email said it doesn't necessarily need to be long. It could be like a 3-5 minute video, 3 to 5 minute video.
That's fine.
It's just you explaining it. Yep.
Yeah. That's good. So yeah, that, and then I think they also want, like, if you're recording with OBS screen recording, they want a camera of seeing kind of like a partial of your face with the computer screen, so it lines up. So they want full documentation that like you're the one trading. I think that's why they're going the extra mile to do that.
Or they're just trying to fucking stall. That's what they're trying to do. That's what they do. Because you know what tells me is because, okay, if they send you the email for the first time, fair. But if they send you the email, which they did to me, again, after they already verified everything, I think it's just them trying to stall.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think. Because I just verified it for you.
Yeah, it's so weird. That's why I don't get it. I thought you already full cleared. Like, I thought, like, if they verify a trader, let's say you submit 2 videos, you should be clear for at least a year. Not like once you get new accounts or something.
You keep hearing a lighter in the background? I don't smoke. No. What does it sound like?
How big are your Topstep accounts? I'm doing 150K. I think me and Lanzo all do the 150K.
Yeah.
For Topstep. That's why I recommend too, because the activation fee is $150. Doesn't make sense to do it for 50K account. I guess that's my take on it.
Yeah, I 100% agree. I tell my people this too as well every single time. I'm like, okay, if they still had what was the evaluation refund thing, that's fair, I guess.
Oh yeah, that would be.
They discontinued that. I feel like. So when you get an evaluation count, sure you're paying less at the time, but when you pay the funded fee, it's the exact same cost for every single account. So there's no point in you saving an extra $100 when you can have an extra 2K of drawdown per day. Trading on a 150K account. I feel like the more drawdown you have overall, the more money you can make, essentially. That's just what it is. Yeah. So you have more room to work with, more leverage possibility, so. Yeah, that BPR was just so nice, because my conviction in that low being put in was so... Dude, that was probably so... Alright, I just hammered that, so... PPR was nice, good alignment, good area of ad, and then right back up we go eventually.
Those videos are for big payouts. I think if you are under 10K, so this is what you think. I think if you're under 10K, they don't care. But out of the that mass email, a lot of people, that's their first payout. That's like they only press like 1,000, 2,000. They still gotta do the video. So like I think all this speculation, like, that's like what people think and all that stuff. Like you need to see the facts of it. Like even people like think like, oh, this influence privilege. Like you need to see like actually a lot of influencers are getting scrutinized as well. Like so like that's why I don't really like those type of rumors or speculations. Like everyone's getting affected.
Mm-hmm.
You can request 2K and like you might get the emails like that could be your first payout. Someone in my Discord literally said, this is my first payout. I gotta make the email. And no balance on it really. She just wanted to request $1,300, and they're hounding him for a video.
Yep.
It's crazy out here. Yeah, Jeffrey, that's basically what it is. Record your screen, show your face, or show like, I think, point the camera basically towards your screen with your head included. And then I think it's also a written statement, like saying like, oh, I'm the one purchase account, I'm the one trading. So like, that's why I think like it's mainly for like those people that are trading for their parents or trading for other people. Like that's gonna easily get caught on. Unless you're trading for your grandma, you think your grandma's gonna be able to narrate a trade? They don't even know what they're talking about. it's kind of similar to those Forex people doing interviews. Like they just want to make sure you're the real one trading. And when people fail those interviews, because like let's say they trade for the parents, like it's so clear because like the parents don't even know what a fair value gap is. You can't explain to them that quick either. Oh yeah, and like KSA also, it's target people taking the same exact trades because maybe they won't explain it as well or whatnot if they're just like signal botting. But if you're just, you know, most of your trades are self-independent, you're not fully copy trading everyone, you should be good. Let's do the giveaway also, guys.
How about a webcam? Just, dude, yeah, it's weird because like when they say you gotta like low key be a part time like you gotta at least be like you gotta have a setup and everything to do it properly. Because for me at least, I recorded with OBS with my Logitech cam, showed my screen, and I had to angle my camera right too as well. And yeah. Unless like I don't even know, unless you place your phone camera somewhere, and I don't know, get it there.
Alright, we're doing the giveaway. Just like the stream, subscribe, and comment your YouTube username one time. Give us about 6-7 minutes to enter, and then we'll pick the winner.
W Brian.
I'm glad it's only like for a short video. Like if it's like a whole hour, 2 hours, those people that trade on the underwear, trade in bed, you just gotta sacrifice a few minutes. People who I guess work while trading is also, I guess, gotta make time for it. Just what it is, man. But they owe me money for that last payout that they rejected because of that. Look at this hourly here. We got 10 more minutes for hour, and if we get a nice hourly close on this hourly drag gap, this looks really good for move higher. Look at that end of day pump.
Yep. Yeah, I was bullish as people, like I said. Dude, it's just like at this point it was just all about timing for me, and it's just like, okay, yeah. I know the lows are in. We're ready to sort of bottom out here, and it was off that BPR. So nice. We pointed that out way prior as well. Way prior.
We talked about a lot of off-topic stuff, but like we pointed everything out. We had the plan, and I even executed live on that version for those who didn't want to get a 5-minute BPR.
Brian spoiled y'all. Fuck, spoiled.
Okay, let's see. I think the giveaway winner today, let's roll it. Jackson Tyler, username. Give me 5 minutes, claim it. If not, we'll just re-roll.
Yo, wow, what do you do if someone doesn't claim it in 5 minutes, but they DM you after and they're like, yo, bro, where's my account? What do you be saying?
I already re-rolled, so like, I think that happened yesterday. It was like someone, I gave him like 10 minutes though, because I forgot about it. I'm like, has he claimed it? Like, no one claimed it. I was like, okay, we have to re-roll. And it was someone in Desi's Discord. And then Desi was trying to message him, because he was talking in his Discord chat, but I guess he left the stream. But yeah, it's just what happened. Yeah, okay, Jackson Bray responded. Yeah, just hit me on Discord there. I just need clarification that you are there. Oh, this is his second time, guys. Look at this email. He won. Is that 5? That's May 28th, and 3 months later he won again. That's not that uncommon though. There's many people that won 3 times, 4 times already. I'll get you that count. Probably end of the day, or it might be Tuesday, just because of Labor Day. I'm gonna just submit the request though.
Or tie that high. 538. People were telling me that they're sending their compliance videos in for Apex. It hasn't even been 3 days. How are they doing that?
It doesn't have to be 2 separate days.
For me, when I got my email, I needed 3 different days, 3 different sessions, 3 different trades.
Oh. I have no idea.
Yeah, for sure. Interesting. Such a beauty of a move, bro. Holy shit, chat. This is what you call beautiful, beautiful movement. That 5-minute BPR tap.
That took a while for it to hit, but like once we did grind it up, we had the magnet in and just zoop.
Such solid conviction.
Are we green in the day now? Oh, we are green. Nice.
Yeah.
What's the chances we actually hit what is it called? That 694 equal highs? That'd be crazy. That's like 150 points away.
Yep.
What do you give higher weighting to? Order block plus breaker or fair value? Oh, weighting. Okay. I like personally for me it's just the fair value or not a fair value it's for the breakers. That gives us the more of entry. But I think on higher time frames the fair value gap could do really well, like 5 and 15 minutes. Just like this 15-minute here, like this is very clear. We have this as internal, this equal highs on lower time frame. A unmitigated 15-minute here. We create this 15-minute once we close above here. We retapped in, retapped in, retapped in. We want to see it hit discount, rotate back up to the next 15-minute internal target. Which internal target could be a fair value gap, like a range, or it could just be like a relative high. So in the 1 minute, just a relative high here.
What a solid move. I'm actually super happy with that move. Even just tape reading. It's super nice move. Someone asked, I don't know if you answered that question, Brian. Someone asked, what do you prefer, an order block, breaker,
or
that's
what I just answered.
Yeah. I think you're more so FEG breaker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer more so FEGs. I like order blocks, but in only certain instances, I'm just more I feel I perform better off fair value gaps.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. Like, I think I value fair value gaps when it's higher time frames.
Yep.
With a low time frame, like 1 minute, like I don't really see much about that. Doesn't really give me much. Oh, ICT's here. Ball and Jabez. Did ICT get his stream today? I think he was doing a lot of mentorships lately. Hopefully he did well.
What do you know about that VWAP? What do you know about that VWAP?
took it ages for this. Imagine as he was trading the session, it was so long, but it was so brutal, and then finally we got the trade in. Very good. We got the inversion long, wrote it all to the turtle target, which is 503s. Wow.
VWAP, oh yeah, no. It's WAP, right? There's WAP and there's VWAP. VWAP's an indicator, you know. And then there's WAP. But wait, was it Meg Thee Stallion or Nicki Minaj that made it? I forgot who it was. But yeah.
I thought it was Cardi B.
Was it Cardi B?
I don't know.
Bro, they're all the same in my opinion.
They kind of.
They're all the same.
Oh, they're both then. It sounds like Cardi B and Megan.
We filled that 5-minute gap so nicely, 5:38, and we just sort of saw a bit of a turnaround.
We're going to get this hourly closure.
Driver. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, though, like, I've said this multiple times, but as weird as it sounds now, because I've said it so much, dude, that low that we put in, that hourly low on ES, and that overnight data take was so nice, super nice.
Yeah, that was a good call. But you literally said that before the stream started to me, and then like once the stream started, you said that too, like where you like this ES hourly low. We pointed out 5598, and that's basically SMT with NQ. It's pretty good.
Yep. Yeah, from there it was just timing essentially. So we came down, tapped that BPR, nice move back up. Inner Circle Trader, check Atlanto trades. Nah, he don't gotta check me out. He's good. He can do whatever he wants.
If ICC is doing those interviews like back in the past, you gotta interview Lanto.
Yeah, I mean, I said this. Look, I used to trade retail heavily. I was very profitable trading that, but utilizing ICT concepts, it's gotten me more precise. Essentially, I still use a lot of retail experience via retail, but I think precision via like entry models, via just draw based, you're a lot more precise trading ICT. Initially, it sucks at first because it's a new strategy you got to learn, obviously. But the more time you put in, just like anything else, the better you get at it. So
yeah,
I owe him a lot of credit for sure.
We grew, we evolved. I don't know, maybe it was like supply demand and EMAs, and I don't know what else we did, support resistance, whatever it is, and then there's more ICT, and it just keeps on evolving, and then not just ICT in general, just like more specifics, and you're also combining that trend with ICT.
Yeah, 100%. I think a combination of draw, price, and entry model. That's like the three biggest conflicts I use for my trades. Is recognizing draw, recognizing price, recognizing entry model. If all three pair out, I just more so trade off that. If one lacks, I just sort of sit out. Like for this week at least, I felt price hasn't been delivering as good as typical, at least specifically in the past like 2-3 months. It's been very nice.
This week has been kind of difficult to deliver. Like we left, I think 4 or 5 relative equal highs at 694s. 1, 2, 3, 4, like basically let's say 5. That sounds like more than 5 right now, but it's crazy.
Yeah, that's kind of funny how we left those equal lows out right there on ES and just drove all the way back up. Leaves those open though. If you drive back down, that's an easy area of interest.
This month has been hard on me, Jackson Bray said. Yeah, September might be even harder. Who knows? It could be the easiest time to trade, or it could be the hardest time.
That's crazy because this must have been my most profitable month ever.
Yeah, for Lanto.
Yeah, I'm up like what 156 off Topstep and a little bit live account. I haven't withdrawn off my live, but I'm gonna make a withdrawal last day of the month. So I could honestly do it today, but yeah, I'll be up around 200 this month just trading, and it's just like damn, you know. I felt July, early August price was very neat. I felt it was very good. I felt like there was a period, if you guys remember, there's a duration like a 2-week stretch where we saw price essentially just be very profitable every single session, right? Asia, London, New York, we saw it trade very, very volatile, allowing it to be very, very tradable. Remember that, Brian? Remember that one night where we saw 700 point sell off? That week specifically, that was crazy. That was crazy.
The 500 point move day.
Yeah. 200K, yeah. That's all my receipts are there posted as well. You just, off Topstep alone, you go to their Discord, see their you can look at their leaderboard. I'm number 2 on their firm, and I was also the most paid out trader last week. Not to like, I'm just trying to tell you, I have receipts. It's all there. Just go look.
Yeah, they won't be like it's fake, like, but the prop firm's saying it. Not even affiliate with them.
Yeah.
When are you gonna hop on Topstep TV? They keep on inviting you. They're like, join us. Join us. Do they give you compensation or something to join, or is it like just like you just join for fun?
I'd probably just join for fun, to be honest. I don't think I would. If I were on Topstep, I'm just not gonna go there to trade because it's. I don't know. I just.
He's gonna talk.
Right, you seen the house recently? With all due respect, I don't know if Topstep's listening in, because there's some devs from Topstep who pay attention to my social media. Like when they were talking about my payout last week, one of the devs was talking about how he follows me on social media. I don't know if he's gonna listen to this somehow, but dude, the house, whenever they trade on stream, are dog shit. Respectfully, they are extremely unprofitable. You look at the past week, they have been.
Let me see what happened today. It was like last time I saw someone post like 23,000, but who knows? Maybe they got it back.
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Yeah, now you're 23,000. That just goes to show how dangerous price action today was. And me and Lanto basically waited till basically like 90 minutes for this trade to happen. It's like, or like a whole hour. For me, it's like more hour 10, hour 15 for this to deliver that setup. And we were careful because today's dangerous from what we saw already. And it's the last day of the month on a Friday and with a Labor Day weekend. Just gonna how it is.
What strategy they do? They're what I've seen from what people have told me. They're pivot traders. They like trading pivots extremely though. They're extreme pivotal traders. So they don't look for like turtle soups. They don't look for certain confirmation. They just see level, tap, pivot. That's what I've seen. I could be wrong, but from what I've seen, like,
well, what about besides this week? Have they been doing it? Let's say like the last 2 months, 3 months. Have they been profitable? Net positive?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not following along, but I remember just this week specifically just being crazy. You know what the crazy part was? Supposedly, I forget it was today or yesterday. For one of the days, they were initially up green, so they were green, and they couldn't even instill their own like. They always preach about like they always preach about taking profit when you're green, yeah, and then they go from green to red.
So how green were they? Were they like deep green, and they just made it?
I don't know. I remember them being green, and then they ended up flipping red because they overtraded.
$8K. $8's a pretty good margin too. They lost every day this week. That's what I heard. That's what everyone keep on telling me. Like they've been losing every single day of this week, which is a tough week. The difference between Topstep Live and Express is just like sim-funded. Live is just a live count, same operation, but you're just trading live markets. And I think you still pay like. Do you know what the number is? 200 or 150 professional fees? It varies for each firm, but it's around.
Are you asking me? Oh, I'm my fault. I clocked out there for a second. Yeah. When I forget. Listen, I have so many different payments, so I don't know if I pay month to month still, or if it's a one-time fee. But it was $150. I remember that vividly. When you go to a live, it's $150
per month. Yeah, for real data feed.
Yep. I don't know if it's a month to month basis, but
yeah. What account balance is the house account? Is it like 250K account or something?
I don't know.
I heard the spreads are worse. That is gonna be inherently like what happened because sim account is paper accounts, it's simulation. So there's gonna be spreads is obviously gonna be better on a demo account or similar paper account for every firm. Just think of like if you try to trade news, say like it doesn't have to be CPI, but just like say it was like a volatile candle, like you do it on a paper account versus a like live trading account from your own money, your fills are gonna be completely different.
Yep. If you're asking me what I prefer, live or I prefer XFAs, 100% over. We discussed it prior, but there's just no incentive for you trading a live account via Topstep. There's no incentive at all.
Yeah. The thing
No.
you guys realize is any prop firms, like, they're gonna protect themselves by putting you in a live account, because on a sim account, on sim funded, they're paying you out of pocket for all prop firms. So when they switch you to live accounts, now, like, if you make money, you're just making money out of your own cash, out of your own profits, basically. So it's like a way to mitigate risk for them, and you can't deny it. You have to get switched, which I think is reasonable.
Smart.
I don't think anyone should be complaining like, "Oh, I'll keep the XP."
Listen, I'd rather have that issue than I'd rather have that issue than not getting paid out. Yeah. So it's just like Topstep's still, in my opinion, they're still the #1 firm. But when it comes to trading live accounts,
they've been innovating. Like every few months, you keep on adding something new. It's been nice. I wish they add stuff for TradeBait as well, though, because I still like TradeBait Ninja versus Topstep X, but that's what they've been pushing lately.
Yeah.
Topstep X. Have you tried Topstep X?
Can't blame them either.
Lento?
Have I?
Yeah.
Once. And it was actually pretty solid.
It was
pretty solid. It wasn't too bad. It's very similar to what it's like TradingView. You execute TradingView.
I'm just so used to TradeBait Ninja. Like, I think that's why I've been liking.
Same.
Yeah, I think we're done trading. We probably can wrap this up now. Any closing note here? I think for me, the hourly, we got a nice closure up. I would want to see this, if this could push up high, but like we're running low on time now. There's only 50 minutes left. It's a nice closure. We already got that move up, what we want to see. We don't have to keep on pressing higher, but that should be it. I don't think, don't press any buttons if you are green. Don't push buttons if you're red. Like, I think unless you see a great setup, don't just ruin your week. It's a 3-day weekend, guys. We'll be back on Tuesday. Closing notes on Lanto side.
Yeah, just good day overall. I thought the AM was a bit, especially open via like the first hour or so was kind of not tradable at all. If I'm being completely honest, very consolidated, very stagnant. But after seeing our initial move, which was that breakdown into that London low, I thought it was pretty neat. There was definitely periods of consolidation where I just didn't like at all. Like there was an initial BPR idea, or not BPR, but initial fair value up idea before that BPR tapped, where we just purely consolidated. So I didn't like some of price today because it's just very sticky, very up and down, very seek and destroy-esque. But the best trade of the day, by far, in my opinion, came off this BPR idea.
Yeah,
100%. Because like I said, those hourly lows. Those hourly lows. Yes. And Q also taking overnight data low, right? You saw both indices take out clear objectives. So you pair that up alongside price action, displacing properly, right? You didn't see price take these lows out and then slowly displace back up. You saw price showcase true eagerness in the turnaround. So you pair that up with the entry model. It just, in my opinion, the best trade of the day. Me and Brian were talking about this for the entirety of the stream pretty much, so.
Yeah, we had like very relative target at 503. That was easy target. And terminal target at 15 minute. Fair value gap, the hourly, unmitigated. That was like pretty easy money. It's just like just the timing of it. Like, you look at the range, it keeps on going back and forth. And you could have got stopped out 2 times before it gives you the real move. And you just have to be really patient for it. And that's what we were waiting for. And BPR there, if you didn't get it, inversion was the second one.
Best trade of the day by far, in my opinion. By far. There's nothing close to it. I think this is the only A+ trade I've seen all day.
Yeah.
Equal highs, obvious there. It's just so many clear objectives. It's just like, even through your take profit targets, like an equal high, that's a clear objective. And where price might want to drive into. So, I mean, definitely A+.
We'll just answer these last 2 questions. Someone said, do you ever wait and miss the move? I think that's going to be obvious. That happens all the time. You don't want to chase, probably. Another one is by Jason. Someone saying, Lanto, the live count is made of only profits you earn from XFAs. Why wouldn't you just withdraw everything and put it in your own account so you don't have to profit split? I think the answer to that would just be because you can't. Because you need that 5 days, 50%. It's the same withdrawal rules. So like, you can suck them dry if you want to, but like, just like you can't say no to switching live, like there's rules in place, which is I think is so completely fair.
The cap's half of what you make essentially is what you can request. So yeah, you do that, but after a 30-day stretch, once after your accounts have been traded for 30 days, 200 hours plus, then you could do the whole entire thing.
Yeah.
But if you're on a live account and you request full account withdrawal, they essentially ban you.
They ban you? Is it
not ban you,
Topstep?
but like with Topstep they I think they remove your sim funded capabilities.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Some firms do that. And then like what K Dot said, my question is kind of similar. Why not just withdraw the profits and start new XFAs? That's basically what Lanto's been doing. He starts new accounts, he switch to live accounts. He has more reserve. He has over 50 reserves, I think, right now. He just more reserves.
Yeah.
5 new ones. He makes whatever 3K, 5K, 10K, just scaling up. You can switch again, just rinse and repeat. But
and you guys have to remember, right? That live account, the more and more my accounts just get put into that, it just builds up.
Do you want to share the balance of it right now, like on the live account?
I don't know what it is right now because I have my normal live account. And then I have, do you know the 3 accounts that got transferred over?
Mm-hmm.
I literally don't know what the balances are on those because I ended up requesting a certain amount, but then I got paid a different amount, which is weird.
Oh, so yeah.
So I think I have 30K there, and I believe, let me check my live now.
Your live's for like 100K or something, right? Unless you withdraw more.
Yeah.
You've probably been withdrawing. And every time you get switched to live, I think you get that 50% withdrawal again and again. So it is pretty nice there too.
Yeah, that's a good thing because I believe on the live, once you go over 30 days, no matter if you get new accounts that transition over, like even if you get like new SFAs that get carried over to the live, you still can request 100% of it.
So then you can implement what everyone's thinking. We're like, oh, just withdraw all your profits and start new accounts. That means just withdraw like most of your profits. If you can't trade with them anymore because you withdraw all of it and close it, then that's the thing. But like if you had 100K, you could probably withdraw like 85K of it and leave 15K there just so they can be happy. You can still show that you're trading with them.
Yeah, like good example, and what I plan on doing consistently since I have so many reserves. Like the past 2 days, I've made 70K in the past 4 trades on Topstep, just copy trading 5 accounts. So I'm up a little over 14 per account, 14K. I'm gonna take out 7 per account, so that's a 35K payout, and the 35 is gonna get rolled over to the live account. And so now I have security in the payout, and then on the live account, that 35 that gets added on top of that, what do you call it? As that compounds more and more and more, I can just eventually then take a mass payout. Because with the live account, I'll say up front, I'll say completely how it is. I do not put risk onto the live account. I just literally take security and I take payout. That's all I do. I do not trade my live account whatsoever to the way I trade XFAs at all. And I think that's the right approach.
Yeah, Lanto, you probably have 30 days on live accounts right now, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's like in that theory, like where some people are asking, like, so let's say he has 100K, he can withdraw like 80K right now and just leave 20K behind.
Yep.
That's what you can do, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's nice.
What I want to do though, low key, is I want to get a big boy payout before end of the year. So I'm just
like how big? Like 100K or
more?
200?
Something like that. Big boy. I have a target in mind. I'm not gonna say because I don't want to jinx it, but it's a big boy target. Big boy target.
He said he want a 400K payout.
It would be around 1/4 of my goal. What this year the trading was. Brian, you know how much I want to make this one. It'd be 1/4 of that. So you know how much it is.
He wants to make 10 mil, guys.
Nah, that's crazy. Dude, imagine like 40 games this year trading. No. Yeah, someone got it.
1/4 mil.
Yeah, I don't want to jinx it. You know?
That's what happens. Because like, that happens to me in the past too, where like I'm like, I'll grow that TOS account like before prop firm was like a thing that back then. I'm like, I just want this account to hit like 300K, 400K, something like that. And it gets really close, and I just don't sell it, and I just remove my stop loss, and boom. That's why you can't think about just the money. Just want to think about trading and all that stuff.
Why can't Lanto be Kane? What does that mean? Be Kane. Bro, you know what's crazy? Me and Kane are number 2 and 3 in the whole entire firm.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm about to overtake Rafa soon though, because
who's Rafa? Is he my social, or do you know who he is, or he's like low key?
I think he's low key. Bro, you know what's crazy? There's someone in my room though. I think I forgot what his name was, but he's a top 10 person in my court as well. So I have Kane, who obviously he trades on his own. Me, and then obviously one more member. who literally, so I have 3 of the top 10 people on all of Topstep
Pretty good.
in the Discord, which is crazy to think about. But no, but I'm coming to Rafa, dude. They should. I don't know why I think they're gonna include the live account now with the profits left over from and the payouts from the 3 accounts. So they're gonna include that, and if they include these accounts too as well, being up 70K, I should be close to Rafa because I'm up. I'll have with payouts combined on that, I'll be at 160. 70 here, I'll be around 230, 240. I think Rafa's like at 280. So I'm climbing up there. I'm climbing up there.
Yeah.
But not. I don't really look at it that much though. I just care about hopping on Brian's stream and catching a Brian trade. That's all I care about.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's probably good enough for the session, guys. We should wrap up now before we get people to press buttons.
Yeah. Show good stuff. I mean, like I said, Brian did you guys so well today. Got you guys right 10 off the week. Long weekend, right? Monday we have off.
Yeah.
So spam the dubs in the chat if you capitalized off Brian's buys today or his alert. And yeah. You can end off.
Someone said careful what you catch from the Brian backdots though. Alright, let's end this, guys. Have a good weekend. Have a good Labor Day weekend. We'll be back on Tuesday.